How to recover disabled Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can recover if your Instagram account has been deactivated or disabled. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes what happens is that Instagram could actually disable your Instagram account. Now what you can do is, in that case, you will simply get an error message like this one. So let me just go ahead and show you. It says that your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your account. So one of the primary reasons why this could happen is because you may have violated one of Instagram's community guidelines. So you can see, to download the data you've shared on Instagram, log into instagram.com on a browser instead of the app. Now what you can do is, whenever you face this error, you could simply tap on the Learn More button which you see over here and follow all of the instructions accordingly in order to go ahead and fix your account. It may ask you to verify or confirm your identity. However, let's say you're not being given that option. In that case, what you can do is simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, under the search box I have left a certain link. You have to simply go ahead and paste that link onto your browser. Once you go ahead and open that link, you'll be able to see this option which says my Instagram account has been deactivated or disabled. Now what you want to do is, on this particular page, you have to simply open and enter your full name as well as the email address which was associated with your disabled Instagram account. Also your Instagram username of your disabled account, as well as the reason why you're appealing for this decision. For example, you can see it says, please let us know why you're appealing the decision to permanently deactivate or delete or disable this account. Once you enter all of your reasons, simply press the send button which you see at the bottom left corner of the screen. Instagram is going to usually get back to you within 24 hours or within 1 week period of time, and whether they think if your account or your feedback is reliable or not, they will hopefully get back to you with a positive solution. We hope this solution may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.